Hey, what's up, everyone? Doing an update on FireYourBossV2. So, good news. We are right back at the amount that we were previously at, which is the record high of this account. Before I actually did some interventions recently for the USD JPY. So everything is going a-okay. USD JPY, it came up very strongly. Actually, there was obviously the option to get in a position somewhere in the bottom in this region, to make it available. But then again, didn't want to, risk any possibility of it breaking out down to the downside. So, unfortunately, it came out just so suddenly that I wasn't able to get in a trade. Although, I mean, on the higher side, this would have been very ideal when the breakout of that MA. But anyways, like today has been a solid day in terms of profit. Scalping modules making good money on your USD, and also made some profit when some of the other ones hit trading stop. Let's say we had a nice trading stop that was executed on let's say, for example, like the Aussie USD, and I think these ones will stop outs as well for the Euro USD. Really nice trading profit, and I think we're gonna have more. I think there are a couple positions here that are in quite decent profit, and I think there's trading stop on them too. So when it retraces, these are gonna exit with profit as well. Um, Ultimately, if you look at, something happened with the markets today. Uh, it's not even on the news yet, because if you go to investing.com or FX Street, there's no mention of what happened. What was the cause for this strong rebound? You can look over here as well. We don't know what the cause of this strong rebound. It was, look at that. Interestingly enough, USD and USD JPY are moving in opposite directions. I mean, sorry, the same direction. So that's not supposed to happen. They usually go in opposite. So I think that means to say that there's probably things to do with the European pair as well. So Euro is strengthening against the USD, while the USD is strengthening against USD JPY. So really interesting scenarios on the market today. Um, and by the way, I mean, like, this looks red and nasty, but the good news is that like, as you can see, well, the flowing loss is actually spread out on a couple of things, not just a pair. It's more than a pair, so it's spread out. It's not like a single pair is taking a lot of damage right now, but they're fairly even. So I think that's really good. Just want to give you guys an update, and I mean, just gonna go scroll through to the day before. So the day before, had to take some manual loss on these two, and then unfortunately, took out a day's worth of profit. I mean, a good day's worth of profit, and yeah, basically, other than that, I guess we're doing quite decent for now. Okay, more updates to come. Bye for now. Good trading. For those of you who wanna get in on the action, I would actually recommend you get in on the Pamm account versus the FXTM Invest. We have two options of getting started. You can go to the link in the video description. I highly recommend that you go for the FX Primus Pamm, because that way, the equity is always growing, always rising, and that's going to be really good for your money management. Bye for now.